East Shore Elementary. My project is text space adventure or text adventure. So I picked this because it's interesting how you could make a simple program which could actually light up lights depending on if it was right, wrong, or close. And so I used a breadboard, 3 LED lights, 3 resistors, 3 wires, and my Raspberry Pi, of course. Okay, so now I'm on a demo mode. So I'm going to do this on votes. So is anybody who votes on door? Raise your hand if you vote on door. There's two chances. There's 2 answers: door or lamp. If you raise your hand for a door, raise your hand if you want door. Raise your hand if you want lamp.
We have
Majority's
more lamp.
lamp. And it says you jump onto the lights. Now you keep on doing this until you go on to the next level, and you keep on repeating whatever choices you got. So I'm going to vote again. Door. Anybody? Door? Majority's door.
You all know the answer.
That took you straight to the next level. Okay, so now it says congrats, you made it out of your room. Now you are in a green bathroom. I just wanted that to be funny. What would you like to interact with? Oh, and you can see the white lights on. That's this. I made this. This is the wrong. This is function. So the wrong function, the almost there function, and the got it function. So I put those functions in here. Like I put the wrong function right there. So if you got it wrong, it would print this, and then the wrong light, that one, you'll see that if you got it wrong. So and then wrong, got it, almost there, and then almost there. And this is all like to print just means like to print. It just means like to write all of this. So I told it to interact with either door or yeah, you can't see it, but it's right there. It's lamp. And so who wants sink? Who wants toilet?
It has to be toilet.
Okay, so
Why are you not using the microphone?
oh, it's easier for me without it.
Well, it's something that you needed to use the microphone.
Okay, so majority's toilet.
Is it on?
Oh, look.
Doesn't even work. On.
Okay.
So it's just a.
I think if you hold it very close.
On.
Then
Yes.
that's good.
Okay, so majority's toilet, of course. What? Oh, it's not. Whoops. Oops. That was an accident.
Toilet. Toilet.
And let's jump into the bathtub.
Sink.
Okay, so sink or toilet?
Sink.
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 Toilet.
Sink. 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 You think
Okay, raise
into
your hand if you want sink.
you think into the
Toilet.
toilet.
Okay, it's sink.
Yeah. Sink is gonna sink. Sink into the toilet.
Now you're-
I'm gonna sink
This
it.
was a really scary level. I changed it. That's Nick though, he knows. Okay, so now you're in a yellow basement. What would you like to interact with? A candle or spare wood? Candle. Raise your hand. Spare wood. Okay, majority spare wood. It was candle. It was spare wood.
Whichever one you want.
You almost took on his skeleton.
Because he wants to get a vibe.
Okay, so now is it candle or spare wood?
Candle.
Congrats, you made it out of your basement. You finished the game, you cheater. You used the cheat. Because there's like 2 cheats I figured out today. It's like you can actually use the first one. Well, that was earlier, but actually, earlier you could use the first one to get straight to the level. It was actually for the second level, the second and third, but I fixed it. So, and yeah, you can see that I got these 3 lights to show up. I bet you weren't paying attention to these, but when you got the right ones, the right answer, it would go white. So if it was like, once you finish the level, this would go white right there. Once it was like really close, you get this blue one. Once if it was like really wrong, then it's this red one. And the end, I made all 3 lights turn on. So, any questions? Okay.
How did you get cheat by just thinking into the bathtub?
What?
How did you cheat by thinking into the bathtub? You think into the bathtub.
What's the
Like cheating.
question? What is the question?
How did you sink into the bathtub cheating?
What?
You
How
cheat
did
by
you sink
thinking.
into the bathtub?
Wow.
I don't know.
I don't think he did.
It said you cheated.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's because he just chose a certain option.
That was a
That was
certain cheat I
programmed.
learned when I was trying to. I was
Did you
gonna-
program it that way?
No, I didn't program it that way. I understood. When I tried it, it kept on
Oh, okay.
So, any other questions?
So this question is for both you, Jay and Nikhil. I saw both of you, whenever something happened, you wanted the operator to know what that option he or she chose. You printed something, right? And that was one way of you letting the person know what is it that you did. And the second way was the LED lighting
Yeah.
up. Is there any other way you can provide, this is called a feedback, so is there any other way to provide a feedback to the user that you can use over here?
If there's sound sensors, like there's way to make sounds, I guess that would work.
That's right.
All right. Thank you.